Today we're going to go over how to draw Sonic.EXE. A little bit of a different pose though. He's going to be like laughing maniacally, like ha ha ha. Alright, really wild pose, so just the face right here. So let's get started, okay? I'm going to go right here and I'm going to draw a line up right there for the nose. It's going to be kind of upward in the air. Okay? Kind of a shape like that on one side for the mouth. Over here on this side. Curve down here. And back right here, right? It's kind of a solid shape. I don't know what shape you call that. I'm gonna go right here and I'm gonna wrap the eye in here. So curve down right into the nose, the eye right in the nose, over here on this side. Over here on this side. Curve. Circle for the eyes. It's a really evil version of Sonic, by the way. That's pretty much, some people are like, what is Sonic.EXE? Line right here for the top of the head. And it's gonna ski slope off the edge here. Up. Over here. That's gonna be the ear right there. Line in. Down right here. Down right here. Down right here, okay? Very wild version of Sonic here. Line, line. Maybe his arm is out here, arm is out here. Get down over here, down over here. Go over here for the smile part. Wrap underneath for another shape. And now that's a smile, right? So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw teeth in his mouth. Because remember, an evil Sonic, okay? He's gonna have sharp teeth. Although I think in some iterations he will straight up have sharp teeth as well. And I'm gonna fill in the space in between. The reason I'm doing that is filling it in here, filling it in here, filling it in here, and filling it in here. Just kind of filling in that middle part to really show the teeth. And if you really like, you can kind of separate the teeth here to show the gum line, right, at the tops of these. Like so. Right on. And now I'm gonna fill in that nose a little bit, but I'm gonna fill it in not fully right there because I want the lines to stand out. Otherwise the nose is going to disappear because you're going to fill in the sclera. The sclera is the dark of the eye. I'm sorry, is the white of the eye. We're going to fill it in totally dark. That's a big part of Sonic.EXE's character. By the way, like I said, if you like this, hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. I post tons of different tutorials on all kinds of topics. You just got to let me know and I will go over it. If you tell me in the comment section, I will totally go over any topic that there is. You just have to tell me. I need to know. You have to tell me in the comment section. Also, if you can hear my voice right now, like if you've gotten this far into the video, say hi to me and I'll know that you got this far. Alright? Cool. So that's one side right there. Fill this in too. Let's go fill in the other sclera. Good stuff. It's fun to kind of do this every now and then. Also, if you're looking to draw in general, let's just say you started drawing and you're like, wow, my hands are really shaky, or I have no clue where to start. You know, I have no idea what to do. Go to sketchingeasy.com right now. Sketchingeasy.com. At the top right there, you're gonna click the dragon at the top of the website, and basically there's a beginner drawing lesson. It's made for someone who just picked up a pencil yesterday or something. You know, so it's like it's made for beginners, total beginners. And what it does is it teaches you the proper way to learn how to draw, and it gets getting rid of habits early. And if you have shaky hands, for example, this will the stuff I tell you there will get rid of it like in a week or two or something. So just absolutely go there, digest the videos, and wow, what a creepy drawing. I just looked at him like, ugh. This is creepy Sonic.EXE. Oh dang, this is gross. Forgot to pull out over here for the other ear. Oh, ugh. I don't know why this one grosses me out. Alright, well that's a good reaction, I guess, right? I'm grossed out even by my own drawing. Alright, I'll see you in the next video, and talk to you soon, alright? See you later.